Welcome to the San Diego Mesa College online library tutorials. Finding a book using a keyword search. In order to find a book on the library's website, you need to start on our home page. You know you're on the home page because it says Research here next to the blue book, and our very first link says Library Catalog Books and More. We're going to click here in order to find a book. This is the first screen you come to. There's a drop-down menu here that shows you many ways that you can find a book, by subject, by title, by author, by series, many ways. However, for this tutorial, we're going to use a keyword search. A keyword search allows you to search for words and phrases across the major fields of the catalog, such as authors, titles, series, subject, and summary notes. I'm going to search for a book on medieval art. I put it in the search box and click here on Search. This gets me a result of 146 titles. As I go down the list, I see that they're not exactly where I was going when I was looking for a book on medieval art. As well, I see books from other schools. The first is from City College, the second is from Mesa, but this one here is from Miramar, and so is the next one. In order to narrow down my search, what I can do is go back up to where it says Limit By. Click on the drop-down menu and go up to Mesa College Library. Click there, and my search results are now down to 97. Notice it's limited by Mesa College Library. Now as I go down, I see that my titles are still not quite what I was looking for. The first, for example, is On Monsters, an Unnatural History of Our Worst Fears. The second, An Ancient World at War, a Global History. For right now, let's say I want that one. If I did, it would show me that it's on the San Diego Mesa College campus. It's located on the third floor in the main book stacks. The call number, which is how I find the book on the third floor, is located here. And the status for this book is checked in. That means the book should be on the shelf and ready for me to take to the checkout counter. Sometimes when you're looking for a book, such as this one, Barron's GRE Graduate Record Examination, you'll see that the status is checked out. That means someone else has the book. The due date is located here. If I'd like to get this book, it's no problem. You simply need to go to the reference desk on the first floor and fill out a form with the librarian. Take it to the circulation desk so they can put it in the system, and when the book comes back, they'll notify you that it's time to pick up your book. Let's go back to our medieval art example. If you notice this first book, under status, it said in cataloging. If you see a status that's other than checked in and checked out, there's a good chance that you can have that book. Again, simply go to the reference librarian on the first floor, and they'll see if there's something that can be done. If I'd like to see more information about this book, I can click on the title. You'll see here I've got all the citation information that I need if I would like to put this on my bibliography. And here, highlighted, are the words that I put in my keyword search. So this is the reason it pulled up this book. Considering how many books were pulled up in my search, I could narrow it down even more. What I'm going to do is put quotation marks around the word medieval and art. This is going to stick the words together as a phrase and search for them like that within the catalog. Watch, I'll click search, and now my results are down to 15, limited again by Mesa College. Now when I look down at what I get, my results are much closer to what I was looking for when I wanted a book on medieval art. When I click on the title, I can see the words medieval art were searched for together. If you look on the left-hand side, you can see more item information. For example, here, there are journal reviews of this book. There's a summary. I can find more by this author. And here are the subject headings. If I would like to see more books on that subject, I can click on one of those links, and up will come a list in the catalog of books under that subject. And that's finding a book using a keyword search.